So for this next problem, we have 4 plus 25 plus 64 plus 3n minus 1 squared equals n times 6n squared plus 3n minus 1 over 2. So for this one, we're going to start by proving for n equals 1. So first term is 4 plus 1, 4 equals 1 times, plug in 1, 6 plus 3 minus 1 over 2. So it gives you 9 minus 1 is 8 over 2, so 4 equals 4. So then n equals 2. Do 4 plus 25 equals 2 times 6 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 1 over 2. So here you can see these 2's will cancel out. 2 squared is 4 times 20 times 6 is 24 plus 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 30 minus 1 is 29. So you're good. 29 equals 29. So now for step 2, n equals k. So you have 4 plus 25 plus 64 plus 3k minus 1 squared equals k times 6k squared plus 3k minus 1 over 2. So now for our third step, n equals k plus 1. We're going to do k times 6k squared plus 3k minus 1 over 2 plus, now we're going to plug in k plus 1 here. So 3 times k plus 1 minus 1 squared equals, plug in k plus 1 there now, k plus 1 times 6 times k plus 1 squared plus 3 times k plus 1 minus 1 all over 2. So now we're going to want to combine these. So inside it's 3k plus 3 minus 1. So that's going to be 3k plus 2. And now we're going to want to combine the fractions. So 2 over 2. So you're going to have k times 6k squared plus 3k minus 1 over 2 plus 2 times 3k plus 2 squared over 2 equals, now we're going to actually multiply all this out, k plus 1 times 6k squared plus 12k plus 6 plus 3k plus 3 minus 1 is 2. All over 2. So now here, if we multiply this out, we have 6k to the third plus 3k squared minus k, now plus 3k times 3k will get you 9k squared times 2 is 18k squared, and then you'll have 3k times 2 plus 3k times 2, so that's going to get you 12k times 2, so plus 24k. And then 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 will be plus 8, all over 2, equals k plus 1 times 6k squared, add these two together, plus 15k plus, add these two together, 8, all over 2. So now if you combine these, you get 6k to the third plus 21k, when you add these two, k squared, plus, when you add these, 23k plus 8 all over 2. It's going to equal, if you multiply this out, you're going to get 6k to the third plus 15k squared plus 8k plus 6k squared plus 15k plus 8 all over 2. So writing this down, you get 6k to the third plus 21k squared plus 23k plus 8 all over 2 equals 6k to the third, then 15k squared plus 6k squared gets you plus 21k squared, and then 8k plus 15k gets you plus 23k, then plus 8 all over 2, and now they match.